Hi, in this video tutorial I'll show you how to watch your activity log in Facebook. Let's go to Facebook and see how to do it. After we open Facebook, we need to click on the three stripes in the upper right corner. After which we go down, and here we have a tab Settings and Privacy. Click here. Then click on Settings and go down. This is where we can find our activity, and this is where we have the activity log. Go here. Here we can see all our activity. We can watch the activity of posts, that is, see what was published and when, who liked it, who viewed it. Activity you're tagged in, interactions, groups and events, profile information, and etc. You can also see from which devices your account was logged in. It shows the IP address when you logged in, when it was last updated. That is, you can see everything here. This is how you can watch any activity of your Facebook account. That's all. Thank you all for watching. Subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, and see you soon.